In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to Canva website. If you've ever tried to paste raw HTML into Canva and wondered why it doesn't work, here's the simple reason. For security and design consistency, Canva doesn't allow raw code in the editor. Instead, you'll use a shareable link from a third-party service and bring it into your design with Canva's Embed app. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, plus a few tips to make everything smooth. First, create or host the content you want to display outside of Canva. This could be a form, a widget, or a video. For forms, tools like Google Forms, Typeform, or Jotform work great. For videos, upload to a platform like YouTube. For other widgets, think reviews, social feeds, or tab services like Elfsight can generate a link made for embedding. The key here is that the content must live on a platform that provides a public, shareable URL or a smart embed link. Once your content is ready, grab its public link. Make sure the link is set to public or anyone with the link can view, depending on the service, so it can load on your site. Avoid copying raw HTML code. You're looking for the live URL, not an iframe snippet. If the platform offers both, choose the shareable link. Now open your website project in the Canva editor. On the left-hand sidebar, click Apps to open Canva's app library. In the search bar, type Embed and select the blue Embeds app. You'll see a field where you can paste your link. Paste the live public URL for your content. This could be your Google Form link, a YouTube video link, a Typeform URL, or the smart link provided by a widget service. Then click Add to Design. Your embedded content will appear on the page, and you can resize it by dragging the corners and reposition it like any other element. If it looks clipped, adjust the frame size to give it breathing room. Keep in mind that some embeds may not be fully interactive inside the editor. Publish or preview your website to test interactivity. If something isn't loading, double-check that the link is public, uses HTTPS, and isn't restricted by the provider. For mobile friendliness, preview on different devices and tweak the size and layout accordingly. A nice bonus is that updates you make on the third-party service typically reflect automatically on your published Canva website. That's it. Thanks for watching.